Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to do Diamond Hanz from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna begin with drawing the top of his head with an arch curve line across. Extend it downwards on the right corner. Turn it slightly inwards to his chin. Across to the left on his chin. Turn it slightly upwards on the left side. On the left side of his head, I'm gonna extend it downwards, slightly inwards at the lower point, and turn it downwards. Now for his eyebrow on the right side, I'm going to draw a curved line across, off-center to the right there. From the ending point on the left, turn it diagonally down to the middle point. Turn it downwards to the tip of his nose. A short line across to the left. And mirror the whole thing on the left side of his face. Below the eyebrow, I'm going to draw his eye with an oval shape on the left corner, like that, and I'm going to repeat the same oval shape for the right eye. Below the tip of his nose, from the side, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards and outwards on both the left and right, and at the ending point below, a line across at that corner. Below the nose, I'm going to draw his mouth with a curved line across in the middle point. Turn it diagonally upwards on both the left and right side of his mouth. Below the mouth, a short curved line across in the middle point. Inside of his eye, I'm going to draw a small circular shape on the top right corner and a black circle in the middle of his eye. Copy the same set of shape for the right eye. Below his head, on the right side, I'm going to draw a line downwards for the right line of his neck. And below that ending point, curved line across to the left and slightly downwards. Turn it diagonally upwards to the left and to the side of his neck. Turn it downwards on the left corner right there. Now for the color of his shirt, I'm going to draw from the middle point, diagonal line downwards, and flare it out to the left. Turn it sideways to the left and slightly upwards. On the right side, I'm going to mirror the same set of line, like that. Turn it upwards on the right corner. Below that color, from the side, a line downwards on the left and slightly inwards to the middle point. Mirror that same short line on the right side. Curved line across in the middle point right there. A line downwards on both ending points at the side for the thigh. And at the side of that, I'm going to draw the color of his suit on the left with curved line upwards. Turn it diagonally out to the left at the upper corner. Turn it sideways to the left and slightly downwards. Turn it downwards, sideways to the right. Sharp turn diagonally out to the left and slightly downwards. Turn it downwards diagonally to the right. Turn it downwards. At the outer corner of that color, I'm going to draw his shoulder with a line outwards to the left at the upper point. Turn it diagonally up to the left. Turn it downwards to the left, sideways to the left, and turn it downwards. Below that ending point, I'm going to draw an arch curve line across to the right. Above that arch curve line, from the right corner, curve line upwards, arch curve line to the left and turn it diagonally downwards. At the outer corner of his shoulder, curve line downwards. Semicircle turn diagonally inwards to the right. Diagonal line across to the right and downwards. Curve line across to the right from his elbow point. Turn it diagonally upwards on the right corner. For the inner line of that arm, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards at the inner corner on the right. Turn it diagonally to the right. Semicircle turn downwards. Some wavy line across to the lower point and to the right. Curve line across to the right at that corner. And for the right side of his suit, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards from the right side of the collar, right there. And from the same point, I'm going to draw a diagonal line out to the right at this upper corner. Turn it downwards, sideways to the left, sharp turn diagonally out to the right and downwards, curve line downwards and inwards to the left. At the outer corner of that shape, on the right, I'm going to draw his shoulder with curve line out to the right and slightly downwards. Curl it up with a diagonal curve line, sharp turn downwards, turn it diagonally inwards to the left, sharp turn back out and to the right, turn it downwards at that corner. And at the outer corner of that shape, from the upper point, I'm going to draw a line out, turn it diagonally downwards to the right, flare it out to the right, curve line downwards at that corner and slightly to the right. Semicircle turn to the left and downwards, turn it across to the left from that point and slightly upwards, curve line upwards, curve line across to the right and turn it slightly downwards at that corner. Above that line, I'm going to draw his finger with curve line upwards right there. Semicircle turn to the left and turn it back diagonally down to the left. Repeat that same shape again for the other fingers, across to the left like that. And on the left side of that, I'm going to draw his thumb with curve line to the left, turn it diagonally downwards right there. For his right hand, I'm going to draw the sleeve of his inner shirt with a line across to the left at that corner, curve line downwards, sideways to the right. On the left side of that shape, at the upper corner, curve line across to the left, turn it diagonally down to the left. Extend the line of his shirt from the top downwards to his arm like that. And below his arm, continue the line of the thigh downwards in the middle point right here. V shape to the left, turn it upwards on the left corner. I'm gonna extend the line of his suit on the left downwards at that corner. Semicircle turn to the left at the edge of the suit. Turn it upwards at the outer corner on the left and slightly inwards. Flare it back outwards above his waist at that corner. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw the pocket of his suit below his elbow with a rectangle shape at that corner. And above that rectangular shape, I'm going to draw a line upwards, off center to the right. For the right side of the suit, continue the line downwards on the right corner. Semicircle turn out to the right at the same level as the left side of his suit. Sharp turn upwards at the outer corner on the right. Flare it back outwards. And for the pocket on the right side, a rectangular shape at that corner. Below the thigh, I'm going to draw the buckle of his belt with a short line downwards, off center to the right, across to the left, turn it downwards, and at that corner, I'm going to draw a small rectangular shape. Continue the line from the top downwards below that rectangular shape, across to the right, short line downwards, across to the left, turn it all the way upwards, across to the right at the upper corner. On the right side of that whole thing, I'm going to draw a small rectangular shape at that corner, a line across on the right side of that at the upper point to the right, and another one at the lower point. I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side of the buckle with a line across at that corner and a line across at the lower point. Below his suit on the left, I'm going to draw his pants with curved line downwards and slightly to the left. Flare it out and turn it back inwards. Turn it diagonally out to the left and turn it downwards. Flare it back out with diagonal line and turn it back inwards. Flare it back outwards again and turn it downwards. Flare it out to the left diagonally and sharp turn diagonally across to the right and upwards. Semicircle turn diagonal line downwards on the right corner. For the inner line of that leg, I'm going to draw a curved line across for the middle point. And below that curved line, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards, off center to the left. Flare it out at that corner and turn it back inwards. Curved line downwards below that, turn it slightly to the left, flare it out again to the right, turn it back inwards, curved line downwards below that, and turn it diagonally out to the right. Below that, I'm going to draw a line downwards on the right corner, turn it diagonally out to the right and downwards. Semicircle turn diagonally to the left and downwards. Curved line across, turn it diagonally upwards on the left side of his shoe. Semicircle turn upwards on the left corner. Below his span off center to the left, I'm going to draw a line downwards. Semicircle turn diagonally down to the left. Curved line across to the left. Mirror that same set of shape on the right side, like that. And in the middle of that two shape, I'm going to draw an X at the upper point and repeat that same X again below that. For his right leg, below his suit at the outer corner, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards, slightly to the right, turn it diagonally inwards to the left. Below that ending point, slightly to the right, curved line downwards, flare it out to the right and turn it back inwards. Turn it downwards and flare it to the right. Turn it downwards. Arch curved line to the left, turn it diagonally down to the left, across to the left. For the inner line of that leg, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards from the inner corner of his left leg to his knee, slightly to the right, flare it out to the left, turn it back diagonally inwards. Below that shape, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards and flare it slightly out, turn it inwards to the right, flare it back slightly out, and turn it downwards. Flare it out to the left and downwards below that ending point. Now for his right shoe, from the right corner below the pants, diagonal line across to the right and downwards. Turn it sideways to the right. Semicircle turn downwards at the front tip of the shoe and curved line across to the left. Turn it slightly upwards and sharp turn downwards. Curved line across to the left and turn it upwards at that corner. Below his pants, I'm going to draw on the right corner, diagonal line downwards to the right, semicircle turn to the left diagonally downwards, curved line across to the left. On the top right corner of that shape, I'm going to draw an X symbol below the pants right there, and another one below that. On his left knee, I'm going to draw some tear with a zigzag line across from the left corner. Turn it downwards on both sides. Turn it sideways to the middle point on both sides. Turn it diagonally down and to the middle point, zigzag line across at that corner. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw some lines across like that. Below that, I'm going to draw a line across. Turn it downwards on the right corner. Sharp turn diagonally up to the left. Sharp turn downwards. Sharp turn upwards. A line across to the left and upwards to the ending point on the left right there. At the side of his right shoulder, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally downwards to the left. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!